Let's meet Kacique in our up next segment.
Up next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Just watch me that little cheese. Girl, I say we creed bad like a big leaf. Take for your girl, them I say we should they clean. Bring the price on the whole world and everybody for you. Look it, and everybody catch it. Get them up in what you're looking at. Look it, ready up now. My friend agreed, your friend agreed, yeah. All one agreed, that one agreed, yeah.
Kacique, I stumbled upon that name while I was doing a name search. That was about grade 9. That's third form. And it was during history class when we were studying about the indigenous people. That I stumbled upon, history is actually my favorite subject, that I stumbled upon the name Kacique. And it actually means chief in Arawak Taino language. Kacique is just a dancehall lyricist. Not only dancehall, as an entertainer too, as a performer. You see me? We like to experiment with music. We like the 90s dancehall, so we like implement that in our contemporary, nowadays type of flavor. That's basically what we bring to the table, you see me? I've always been playing around music from I was a tender age, you know, for like 4, 5, 6, little youth. I wrote my first song when I was around 8 years old.
Can me see rust to God? Want your body, I me want it. But then if I suck, then I suck. Can me see rust to God? Want your body, I me want it. But girl a wine, song a drop, bass a thumb through the speaker box. In a shot, on a frock. Body good, not a thing you no lock.
The first producer when we work with professionally would have to be Superbad Music, and we released a song called Deep. That was way back in around 2016, I think. Those days I was attending the University of the West Indies, so in and around campus areas like UTech, UWI. It created a very good buzz. That was actually what started me off, you know. Started off Kacique as people know today. I was born and raised in Manchester in a community called Somerset. I attended Somerset All Age. Somerset Primary, actually. Then I went to the Carter College, where I spent, from first to sixth form. Then it was after the University of the West Indies.
Baddest thing and that's what me notice, yeah. Wine pan the something slowly, yeah. Gotta get the trophy, yeah. Wine pan the something slowly, yeah. Me love when you wine pan the slow. Me love when you wine pan the slow. Me love when you wine pan the slow. Come girl, speed it up, no one me say.
Music was always #1, but then I had aspirations of becoming a lawyer, aspirations of becoming a journalist. Me see everything as a song. Even a simple conversation, me see that as a song. You see me? You just reason with you. That is a song. I can tell that story in a song. So people themselves inspire me just by the way they move, even when I don't know them. Just by looking at them, studying them inspire me. Oh, the name of the EP is Bad with 2 Ds. You see me? And it was released in the first week of September. I can't remember the date right now. 4-track EP. It's the same vibe, the same 90s dancehall vibe. They mix with the contemporary thing. We kind of give it a look at nowadays feel, isn't it?
Jump up under me rum, girl, me no mind. Bump up, get bad like a crime. Girl, want know where your waistline design. Cause you know fi speed it up and then you take a little time. Cock it up and maybe you feel lean back like recline. Hear name call when bad girl define. Set up yourself, bad man, they behind us already know. Come cock it up, me round the back.
Long-term goals, yeah. We want to reach the dizzy heights, you know, the highest of heights. Probably in 5 to 10 years, we want to launch out internationally. We want to have a solid footing locally, you see me? Get a couple international collabs under our belt, get a couple local, big giant collabs, you know, because I have a couple big artists around the place where I do it for a long time and I want to collaborate with, you see me?
The baddest thing and that's what me notice, yeah. Wine pan something slowly, yeah. Gotta get the trophy, yeah. Wine pan something slowly, yeah.
Up next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Jah Jah is the latest video from Senton-based DJ Shakespear, Pree Dis.
Soon go give them a notice.
Versace on me feet, and money in my pocket. Them I wonder how we do it. And Jah Jah continue fi bless me, and them I wonder how them a fight me, and me not get weak. One time for the people where I work hard, cause if you get a youth have a dream. No born with gold spoon, but we have ambition. Jah Jah, you give me all that I own. You give me all that I own. I was so cold and alone. You lift me up, cause you give me all that I own. You give me all that I own. You lift me up, Loyal to me dream, me never detour. Stand up on me feet, all when them fight me. Mount a style, me see them style me. And me just want Lord, because me heading to the top. Cause Jah Jah there beside me, Jah Jah there beside me. And I'm so anointed, merely what I did. Jah Jah, you give me all that I own. You give me all that I own. I was so cold and alone. You lift me up, cause you give me all that I own. You give me all that I own. You lift me up, and we tell them say we must reach, yeah we must reach. Full of ambition, we no born buckless. I feel by mama.
We go tea sipping after the break. We'll soon forward.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.